The world's largest charity cryptocurrency has been making a lot of updates since last month, June. However, there wasn't any price variation on the token. So, will the token see a breakout anytime soon? Or is it time for you to burn your holdings? Stay with us till the end to know more. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel Crypto Money, the channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. After getting born out of Elon Musk's will, this token took some incredible highs and stood out as the world's largest charity crypto. However, Elongate has been consolidating, which has kept all bulls post the market hit and inflows out of the way. In today's video, we'll be talking about all of Elongate's work and updates during June 2021 and assessing its future growth through some technical analysis. But before heading forward with today's video, we'd like to let you know some disclaimer lines. Firstly, the crypto market is highly volatile and changes frequently. Therefore, by the time you get to watch this video, the coin's prices mentioned herein would have switched to a whole different range. Secondly, this video is in no manner created to be taken as financial or investment advice. The content of this video is designed to suffice for being informational and educational purposes purely. You are requested to pursue your own research or consult an expert in this regard to make better investment decisions. With that being said, let's get into it. When the tech billionaire Elon Musk tweet set the ball rolling for brand new crypto, that has led to becoming the largest charity cryptocurrency in the world. Since its inception in 2021, this token has become the face of charitable cryptocurrency. Well, it is needed to be understood that Elongate has had a tremendous impact on the mainstream financial market through cryptos, in a way that people do not think of cryptos as an actual currency, which cannot be inflated first and secondly is for one and all. To date, over $3 million have been donated through Elongate protocol, and the company aims to do more towards it. On a psychological level, analysts believe that Elongate has a much higher chance of survival than most cryptos in the market due to its charitable nature, because this tool attracts more investors, mainly because it walks on the non-governmental platform without any profit motives. The founders and developers of this token launched the same at the perfect time, including Elon Musk in the frame. This was the primary reason why this token became an internet sensation at first hand, since it has indulged itself in philanthropic activities, donating towards humankind. This was the same reason why it started at high speed and intends to do so now as well. However, the recent market bump has definitely slowed its pace. The token is trading at $0.00000068, barely maintaining its last support since the start of June, which is a good sign. After all, the coin did drop off its highest levels, but was successful in trading sideways rather than dropping further down. This indicates the community's strength and belief in donations. Elongate started to make marks after it pledged to donate a total of $1 million to various charities in April, starting to organize the same, titled as charity parties. Elongate donated to charitable organizations including Children International, which received a donation of $75,000 and another $325,000 on 18th April. Built on Binance Smart Chain, this token has been determined to wield power and capital of memes and internet culture to change the face of charities. Elongate uses a frictionless yield and liquidity generation token, wherein a 10% transaction fee is paid to the coin holders, and such fees are donated towards charity. In case of any transaction, this token splits the 10% transaction fees into half, so that one half goes to the coin holders and the other half gets auto-locked on Pancake LP. Furthermore, every 14 days, the network lets the cash be extracted out and donated to a charity that's chosen by the community. Elongate is a BEP20 token with a total fixed supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. To get started with its charitable purposes, the tokens entered a pre-sale campaign hosted by DXScale, a decentralized cross-chain token management platform as a service. Elongate's initial token liquidity pool has been locked under DXScale's DeFi launch certifies liquidity locker that ensures the safety and security for all the community holders. The biggest announcement that Elongate made in June was its collaboration with the National Kidney Foundation. In simple words, last month, the coin has been entirely focused on its donations as a part to suffice its roadmap. On 1st June 2021, the world's first charity cryptocurrency token donated $150,000 to the National Kidney Foundation, an organization entirely driven to make peace with kidney disease. This organization is a pioneer in the field of scientific research and innovation that helps them focus on the whole patient. With NKF, Elongate's donation count has increased by over $3 million in the past 3 months. The company plans to open a new website, merchandise, exchange, app, and NFTs. All these plans would drive the token's value to a different level, providing the market pressure on the token releases a bit. For the month of June, Elongate's Chief Marketing Officer, Gene Rowe, started a weekly series from June 6th on Twitch, which gained a lot of attention as the community was brought together to discuss matters concerning charities and donations. However, amidst that, Elongate has done a lot more that needs even more attention. On 7th June, the token announced on its Twitter that it's going to be listed on Elongate very soon, and the date of listing was confirmed to be on 15th June. Elongate is yet another cryptocurrency exchange that offers the world a variety of crypto trading pairs. It looks like the token had a lot to do in the previous month and has strategized well, considering Elongate's collaboration with numerous companies and exchanges. In terms of donations, Elongate opened up to donate XVG to Elongate on CoinSocial Story, a project that lists charities allowing people from all over the world to donate. Getting listed on such a platform classifies this token's identity to an extent that it could work more towards its goal. Be it donating to charities or taking interviews with charity representatives like Susanna Eschlerman, ECO-OD Children International, Junaid Butt, Director at Human Relief Foundation, Kevin Longino, CEO of National Kidney Foundation. The token has come a long way, joining cryptos into a charitable cause, lifting crypto's value over traditional fiat currency. On 20th June, Elongate announced its token burn, which was over 1 trillion tokens. This was huge news. Elongate took a minor but effective step towards raising its fundamental worth. It further aims to burn more currency to create scarcity for the token, pushing its prices to rise exponentially. This strategy would undoubtedly help Elongate to become a store of token value. Overall, June was very productive for Elongate. It focused more on partnerships, engaging with the community, and building its trust. Elongate joined the hands with Polygon. Now, payments to accept Matic for its crypto charity fund, from which Polygon users can benefit from high-speed and gasless transactions. It's interesting to watch it grow, and with this speed and efficiency, it's finally going to grab the attention of Elon Musk, which would be crazy for its price action and trading volume. However, until that day, we expect the token to do what it's doing. Last month, Elongate celebrated its most successful donations, that is $150,000 to the EB Research Partnership, #CryptoForCures Fund, which seeks to implement research to cure epidermolysis bullosa by 2030. This inaugural donation established Elongate as the founding member of the fund. Elongate is trading at $0.00000068 with a green of 25.83% in the last 24 hours. At this rate, the token price trajectory is probably going to break out of its consolidation levels. Starting from 15th May at $0.00000059, the coin dropped to its current levels after the market's drop along with Bitcoin. However, it appears like Bitcoin is slowly trading back to normal levels, pulling out all altcoins along with it. Elongate's green trading percent indicates its price pull, which is an excellent sign, signifying it won't drop to any further levels. On 22nd June, Elongate dropped to its lowest levels at $0.0000000448, which was crucial because below this range, there isn't any support for Elongate, making it extra hard for it to uptrend after that. However, we see a good buying pull, indicating its uptrend towards the first target at $0.00000025. Elongate's close above this region will confirm its further uptrend towards $0.00000059. Therefore, this is a perfect time to enter the Elongate community because it is rebounding, and being a highly volatile crypto, any rise would intensify your gain amount. On its one-day chart, Elongate shot up from $0.00000058 to $0.0000000101, an exponential increase. Post this, it is gathering extra efforts to break out to higher levels. According to us, while the market rebounds, this token will surely give very high returns. Therefore, we advise you to look out for this one. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informational, then please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments below your view on Elongate, and don't forget to turn on post notifications to always stay updated on this token. Till then, goodbye.